Okay, we're gonna take a look at a portable mister systems that I just purchased off of Amazon. It's around $60. It's pretty much like first generation. Let's take a look at it. Here's the box, the front, the side. There's the back. Other side, 20 liter full of a bucket, 6,000 milliamp battery, 4 branches and nozzles, stabilizing pod, adjustable mister speed, bottom, nothing. Okay, let's take a look at the back. Okay, let's see. Mister model number P80, product batch, email, Shenzhen, address. That's about it. Made in China, something. Comes with the battery. Take a look at it. Yeah. We're opening it together. Let's see. Looks like the stand on cable in a bag. Let's see. Here's the nozzle for one of it. Just these 3. It's pretty cheapish. We'll take a look at that after. It looks like 3 adjustable, and then the nozzle goes there, goes up there, and then hooks into 4 nozzle. That bounces. That's how they made it. This is, and it's glued, and I just took it apart. So yeah, there's one, part 1. Put this back. These are like cheap stands. Looks like here's the pump. Here's the pump. Here's the front. Looks like the power settings, 25, 50, 75, 100. In, out on the side. Upside down says in, out. Vent looks like right there. Bottom, nothing. USB-C. If you guys can see that. Sorry if it's dark. Like and subscribe if you guys can't. Lock it into maybe a handle or something. Looks like you could, let's see, pull this off or something. Pull this up. Comes off and you could lock it onto something. Okay. There's the pump. Looks like filter or something. Okay, here's some nozzles. Looks like comes with filters. You could open, take it off, and unfilter it. Looks like you can make your own or something. You could close it. Plastic, sort of strong enough, little, and lock it in. Nozzle. This one should be go into the in. So it goes like this. Then to unlock, push down, then pull out. So it looks like this looks like almost like a the fish tubes for breathing air. Or fish tubes, I'm not sure. It looks like another black one. Comes with the USB-C. 4 misters. There's a misters. Let's take a look at one. There's a tube. Looks like there's aluminum in it. So it's bendable, and then let's see. Then it's locked in, and you just push down, and it comes out. And then right there, and then there's a mister with something in there. I'm not sure. Like that. So yeah. Then you can take the head off. And there's a tip with a spring. Looks like that. And then you can take this one off too. 3rd one, small little mister with a filter in there. Okay, there, that one's done. As for that, instructions to misting nozzles that did not have a bag. The bag container. I'm going to use this on a hot day on a lake, so that's why I got it. So it's going to be hot, and then I want to use this in Lake Powell, see how it works, see if I can make a cloud. I asked Google AI how much I need, and then here's the bag box. I need 100 freaking nozzles just to make a cloud pumping. time. I'm like, what? Okay, whatever. There's the bag, orange. Looks like the nozzle goes in there. Opening it up. It's all plastic. It smells like plastic. It's like just barely finished building. Hold it. There's a bag, and with a handle right there, and looks like you could put a handle right here. Lock it in there. Yeah. Lock it in there, and then there's another handle right there. Then this does look like it does fit in there. So it looks like everything does fit. One does fit, so let's test it out. Box container. So yeah, let's take a look at this. The instructions. Look at the instructions, because most of you guys don't, and I don't too. So here's the setup. That's what it looks like. There's warranties, packaging list, water bucket, pump. I'm still not sure how this pump works, but it's pretty cool. Off, on, long presses. There's the presses. So on, off, long press. On, off, short press. Mist levels, power indicator, mist and gear indicator. Low gear, mid gear, high gear. Okay. And then misting mode button. Short press the switch between continuous disconnect press. Works for 3 seconds. Pause, repeat. Detached bucket. Or you could hook this to the bucket somewhere. Sort of. I'm not sure. Where does that attach to the bucket? That doesn't make any sense. The pump is not waterproof. Be careful, okay? This is right there. Not waterproof. Okay, assembly. Nozzle in, nozzle out. Attach the things. And then attach the legs. Submerge it fully. Not submerge it. Do not have it not submerged. How to clean. You could take all those off and clean them. Oh, nice. Why the hose leaks. Sorry about that. Why the hose leaks. Nozzle clearing. What it emits. Screw. How to store. Remove line. Caution. Okay. System may take some time to prime. Wait 30 seconds for the water to fill the line and begin to mist. Material, speed, working hours, and liter bucket. So let's try this out. Okay, here's the bucket. I'm not gonna use that. Now let's try this. Stand it up. This looks like just a basic camera setup. Wait. So let's see, and attach this to this. Okay, and then I have a bucket over here. Hose. Okay, put this over here.
Puppies coming out inside?
No, not yet. Not yet. I was working.
What are you making?
Recording a video, Artemis.
What are you making, Dad?
A pump. Yes.
Look, my glucose.
Nope. Okay, there, and then there. Oh, that's a little so
Don't
heavy.
bring
Okay.
down, fall down.
Yeah, that's really unstable, so you probably have to switch it up or something. Like that. Spin it. Might need to. Pump. Can't take that off. So let's see. Oh, I have to take it off. Let's see. There's a cup of water or a bowl of water. And then I see. How do I stand this? Still not standing there. Okay. Pump of water. Let's untangle this. I don't have my scissors. One. Should have got scissors. Does this come out if I keep going? Almost. Let's see. Yes, it does. Okay, there. So. Nope, did it wrong. Ha 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 ha. So, don't pull like this. Push the cap in like that, and then pull. Voila. Then this goes in the in, okay, and then this goes in here to the out, and this is out right here. Now here's the pump. Let's zip it in. Let's see. All the way in. This is not waterproof. Okay, maybe I should just take this out first a little more. Just tingle this a little more. 1, 2, 3. Just take it all off. Okay. Yeah, there, that's in. Adjust it after, push this in, and then voila. Okay, now on button looks like. There's on. There's the sound. Not too loud or too loud. Looks like water's already moving. It is. A little loud, noisy. And that one is missing the other pump. Yay. Looks like it already came off. Where'd it go? And it's gone. Put this back in. That one's working. Looks like that one's working. And then look. And then this one's not working. And then it's all vibrating. So yeah, there it is. So we just need to change that nozzle. Let's see what happens. That's pretty strong. Let's change the setting. Oh, turn back. Now it's fixed. This is a little clogged. There's a slow setting. There's a low setting, or second to low, and then really low. So yeah, there's a really low setting. You could hear the pump, sort of. Was that off? Or it was out of water. So this thing has to be drained almost. So I wish there was a weight in this. Or it's, oh, okay. This is like off, on. Off, on. Off, on. So yeah, there it is. Portable misting system. There's high. So yeah, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys.